this video I'm gonna show you how to insert a SIM card into your Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so if you have purchased your Pixel in any place in the world besides United States, then it most probably has a SIM card slot. I'll explain everything shortly, but first let's see where the SIM card slot is. You can see it's here at the top. If you have it, then it takes physical SIMs. Now in the United States, phones, more and more phones are getting just eSIM. eSIM is a SIM card that is digital. It doesn't have any like piece of plastic like this one right here. Yeah, you can simply go to the settings, and if you want to set up a eSIM, there is a whole other video on the channel, so you can watch that. But I'll just show you shortly, because I think there is a high chance that you actually are in the United States. So go to settings, go to network and internet, then go to SIMs, and now it'll let you select eSIM. But I won't be adding that. You can see you can set it up or transfer from different device. I won't be doing that because I will enter a physical SIM. So if you have this because your phone has been purchased anywhere else than the United States, then you can use a SIM card opener and simply put it in a SIM card opener or a needle or a pin, whatever that fits into that hole, and that way you can open this slot. Now you can see on the slot we have this little bevel right here, which lets us know how to adjust the card. So we can adjust it like that, so the logo is facing up, and now put it back in, and shortly it'll get discovered by the phone. So this is how you insert a SIM card, basically it should be already working, and I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.